We're outside on my covered porch in the Hudson Valley. Setting a table is to drawing or making a painting. I mean, it's a composition. And add the food in, add the music in, it's even more of a composition. It's a movie. I've got probably 15 different patterns of dinner plates and probably 600 napkins because they're fun to play with. This is a new Cabana tablecloth in blue and cream. We love blue and white. It's fresh, it's young, it's energetic, and it looks like nature. If you have flowers in your garden, you have to use them on your party tables. You just have to do it. It shows that you're not only a good cook, but you're a gardener. Guests should always be seated with the nicest view. I have never sat on this side of the table looking at the river ever in 15 years because I know the river, I see it. Put your guests in the best position with the nicest view, whether it's a beautiful curtain or window or river or ocean, whatever. I feel very strongly about having white on every table you do. Some white. I don't care if it's in the flowers, the plate, the napkin. Again, there's a contrast to it and it looks fresh. It looks clean. It looks laundered. It looks perfect. It's an exercise. You're creating something. You're being an artist, actually. Whether you have a dinner party for 4 good friends or 12 not so good friends, you've got to have a separate cocktail hour or 45 minutes or a half hour. It's up to you. So your cocktail period time should be in a different area than your dinner. Do not ask your guests to sip a gin fizz or a cosmopolitan or a whiskey sour in the same place where you're going to be eating. There should be an element of surprise and change. Things should flow a little bit. And it could be another corner of a room, or it could be another floor, or it could be outside and you're eating inside, or vice versa. Make a change between cocktail and dinner. I love an intimate dinner party because that's when I connect with my friends or my family and find out stuff, and I can tell them stuff. Love it. Also, there's something kind of nice about just putting the meatloaf on the table and no fuss. Make some connection between your tablecloth, your napkin, and your flowers, but not matching. Whether you're doing 4 or 12, please use place cards. Also, think about the idea, when you make a place card, you spend, 5 minutes drawing it, writing it. That's 5 minutes you're thinking of that person. And who doesn't like that? It's a whole ritual you go through. It's not, you don't give a dinner party by accident. The possibilities are endless. Have fun with it. That's the thing. It's not a chore, it's a joy.